Wow, what a cool bike! I wish I had one like that. Looks like someone forgot to take the key.
What's that noise? Oh, and it smells too. It's Big Bob. You can't make such noise here. It's impossible to breathe here.
Oh, Big Bob, hi!
Hi Dan.
Wow, what a bike you have! Where did you get it?
Got it from a friend for a test drive.
Hey, let me sit on it. Cool! The handles are unbreakable.
And the fenders are so flexible. Look.
What is the engine like?
450 cubic, almost half a liter.
Wow, the dashboard is so bright. Sounds impressive.
You again? Stop making noise near my house.
So what do we do now?
Sorry, it was an accident.
It's okay, I have a plan.
What plan?
We will sneak into the house and steal the key.
If we are careful, let's try.
This one is locked too.
Uh-huh.
Locked again. Everything is locked. What should we do?
Idea.
Maybe here. No.
You go ahead, and I will wait here.
Actually, she took the key because of you.
All right. Oh, stop! I think I found your key.
Where?
On the table.
Who is there?
Hi!
ride!
I thought I heard some noise.
Oh, looks like I found a flashlight. Cool.
Aha! Gotcha! Come out now!
Okay.
Put down the flashlight.
Goodbye.
And what now?
Oh, maybe I can bring the pizza on my scooter and then we can trade the pizza for the key?
Good idea. Did you bring it?
Uh-huh.
It was your idea, so you go.
Don't worry, we will get your key back now. Please forgive us. This pizza is for you.
I love pizza.
Then please give us the key back.
Alright, here you go. But no more noise.
Thank you. Here, take it.
Good job.
Well, anyway, I gotta go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Finally, time to ride. Police, I would better ride another day.
What a wonderful day.
Oh, quad bike.
Hey, stop! Hey! How you have dried me out! Oh, police! Hello, officer.
Hi, Dan. What happened?
Maybe you have seen blue quad bike.
2 minutes ago, a blue quad bike passed here.
This would be my quad bike. Please, help me catch up with it.
Okay, jump in.
It's him!
Stop, police!
Okay, I give up.
Everything is fine?
Yes, it doesn't seem to be broken anything.
Hey, stop! It's a police bike!
Let's get on my quad bike and chase the bandit.
Bye-bye.
This quad bike is too fast. We won't catch him with it.
Wait, I have bike remote control.
Hey, what's the matter with you?
Hey, he ran away again.
Yes. Thanks for helping me catch up with Bandit.
And thank you too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, cool car.
Whew, it's really hot today. I need something to cool myself. Oh, ice cream is good. There is nothing better than ice cream in summer.
Maybe Dan will give me a ride in the car. I will go ask. Hey Dan, where are you? Hello.
Hi.
Let me take a ride in the car.
No, Bandit, I won't let you.
Well, at least a little. I'll drive carefully.
No, the car is mine. I won't give it to anyone.
Okay. He will regret it later.
Hey, Bandit, why did you get the car dirty?
Because Dan didn't let me ride it.
Bandit, what have you done? The whole car is in mud.
Yes, Bandit, you can't do that.
Okay, I will wash everything now. Okay, ready.
That better. You need to live in peace.
Yes, my bad. There was no need to be greedy.
Well done. I hope you have learned this lesson.
Yes, of course. I won't do it again.
Okay, I have to go. Bye.
Do you still want to take a ride in the car?
Yes, of course.
Well, then sit down. Let's take a ride.
Thank you. bike.
Where is the bike?
Police,
My bike was stolen. Please help.
where are you now?
On the playground.
Okay, I am coming.
Stupid bike. It's broken, but I need to find a new one.
Hi,
Hello.
tell me what happened.
I arrived on my bike, parked it here, and went for a ride on the swing.
Oh, police bike.
Okay. Where did my bike go?
Apparently, it was stolen too.
This is a very brazen kidnapper.
Yes.
This is your bike?
Maybe. Yes, it's mine.
I see a suspect.
Let's catch him with the ball.
Good idea.
Throw the ball.
Oh, such a cool ball.
Yeah, gotcha. Hands up. You stole police bike.
I won't steal bike anymore. I'm sorry.
I know how to punish him.
Well, and how? Okay. Here you know what to do.
Okay.